How to create photo albums on your iPhone. So I like to pick a specific photo to make the album. So what we're going to do is go to our photos, and I'm just going to choose a photo of my own dog here. And what you want to do is go to the three dots at the top right corner. This is going to give you a bunch of different options here, but you want to just choose add to album. So from here, you have all of your albums here if you have any, but I'm going to create a new album. So you want to hit the plus sign at the top right corner, and I'm just going to choose Crypto because that's his name, and we're going to create the album. So now that the album is created, let's go ahead and add another photo here. Choose the photo, go to the three dots, and you can either add to album or add to crypto because it might show you the most recent album that you just made. So we're just going to choose add to crypto. And then what we're going to do is come back out of here, go down to your collections at the bottom of your screen here. And this is going to show you all of your pinned things, all of your albums, all of the things that your iPhone takes account for. And you just want to go to albums. And this is the exact photo album that we just created. So it's very easy to get to your albums, make an album, add photos to your albums, and that's it. It's super easy and super simple.